In this video we are going to make our fourth part, that is threaded bolt threaded in the assembly package. Now how to make the threaded bolt? This is the fourth part. This is the fourth part, that is bolt, and this is the specification of M10 hex head screw with a screw. So now okay, 54 means 54 all pass here. M10 hex head screw. So now and this is the 25 deep, this is 3, this is 5, 5, 5, 10. What is the length of this? I am calculating this 25 here deep. What is the thickness of this? 3, 3, 3, 9, 9 plus 10, 19, 25 plus 19. 25 plus 19, what it yield? 25 plus 19, 25, 35, 35, 39. 39 will take approximately 40. Okay, sorry guys. Now let's choose. I am selecting this axis and go to sketch. Okay, first of all you have to select this hex head. Now I am selecting this hex head. Okay, no problem, and I am giving this as a, what is the specification? Okay, this is 10. Now I'm zooming it by pressing scroll and shift. After giving this, go to exit workbench. Okay, pad it. What is the thickness of this hex? Just I want to take it 10 mm. Okay, 10. Okay, now this is my hex head with 10 mm thickness. Now I want to tell you something, that in this we have to make this arc of this arc. Usually this arc is made at an angle of 30 degree with this horizontal line, this threaded, this is the fillet is made of 30 at an angle of 30 degree. So now we have to make it as shown in here. So let's go to here and select. I'm selecting this one. Okay, I'm going to sketch. Okay, no problem till now. Zoom to fit, go to zoom to fit. Now I'm selecting circle. Now I'm drawing a circle which is tangent to the this end. Okay, tangent. Okay, it is tangent to the all the part. So no problem. For this I am also taking tangent. Okay, no problem. Now you have to go to exit workbench and go sorry, and unselect it. Now select one part. Now I'm selecting this one, this anyone, select any one plane. Okay, any plane of given 3 plane. Now I'm going to go to project 3D element. Now from here select this one and press enter. Okay, no problem. Now you have to use this like this. Okay, normal view, okay, no problem. Okay, then you have to draw a line. Take a line command and just give its constant as 30 degree. what I am doing, why I am doing, I already told you guys, we have to make the arc of 30 degree in every side of this x head, so as shown in here figure. So that's why we are making this. So now go to the exit workbench. Now there is no revolve command, you are not getting any revolve command. The same work is done by this shaft here in shaft, but shaft is not give this required solution for us now. So I am going to use this revolve command, c semicolon revolve. Okay, revolve, VOLVE, press enter. Okay, it will the revolve command will pop up. So now select revolution axis, select the revolution axis, select x-axis. Okay, no, select y-axis, no, select z-axis. Okay, no, okay, I have to, I don't want to this one. Okay, what happened to this? Okay, now just undo it. I am selecting this one and going to sketch. Why you are showing downward? Okay, select it. I am going here and I am selecting this one and go to sketch. Again it is showing in that direction. So now you have to do this, just select this circle. Okay, then press enter, and now draw a line of 30 degree here and just give a constraint to this of 30 degree. No problem till now. So now select this line and what you have to make it what in dotted line, so that it is not, it will not show in the 3D diagram. So now you already made it. Now zoom out. Now it is already selected here, so otherwise select this. Okay, I will not select it now for now. Now we have to import the revolve command. So to import revolve command, c semicolon REVOLVE revolve, enter. It will pop up. Select what profile you want to revolve. This profile I want to revolve, and about which axis I will select this axis. Okay, it is not working. Okay, I am working x-axis. Okay, it is not a okay. Now z-axis, we want this axis. It means it is we are getting the arc of 30 degree, and we in this way, like this shown in figure, in this way it is 30 degree, creating the 30 degree arc, 30 degree arc here. So we not only we want here in complete crown, in complete 360 degree, other 180 degree also. So you can preview it. Here you can see that this is the, this will give after. Now we are in the phase of after getting this arc like this in the figure shown in figure. So now click OK. Now to get required solution, we have to go to insert, dress up feature. Okay, no dress up feature. You have to go to what, that split command. Where is split? Surface base. Okay, select split and select this one, and it is already inward. If your if it is coming in outward direction, then go to inward direction and click OK. Now this is the required, this is the required. Now we have to hide this one, so hide and show. By this I can hide it, and you have to also hide this circle, this one. Go to hide and show and hide it. Okay, now this is your required bolt head. Now we have to create the screw part. So go to sketch, zoom to fit. Okay, I'm going here. From the center I am creating a 10 mm circle, and then go to exit workbench and pad it. Now what is the length? The length is, it is going 20 mm deep. First of all 25 mm deep, add it, plus 3 washer are using, 3 9 of the 3 mm thickness, and 2 link bar of 5 mm thickness, 10 plus 9, 19 plus 25, it will give 19 plus 25, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 9, no, 35 plus 10, 45 plus 4, 49. We will take approximately 50 mm long. Okay, 50 mm long. Now in this 50 mm long, okay, press zoom to fit. In this 50 mm long, the 25 mm is with what? With threaded part. So now go to this thread and tab command, click on it, and lateral face this, and thread from here. And what is the dimension? Standard type, metric, thick pitch. Okay, I am going to threaded depth of 25. Okay, select. Okay, now after clicking here you can get 25 mm threaded M10 part. Okay, now this is your threaded part. Now how to see it? Okay, I will apply with material, not concrete, metal. Use brush and this. Okay, show with material. Not a bottom part here. Okay, I will unselect it, go to here, delete it. Okay, delete. Delete material. So now I am going to threaded part and lateral face. This one is the face, limit face. No, this is let okay, lateral face this one, limit face this one, and of thread diameter metric thread. Okay, I will go here and here. This is the my threaded bolt. Now save it, view, insert and save it. The assembly package case part 4 bolt. Save it. Now this is our bolt part. Now we will, in next lecture we will do the assembly part of the bolt. So thank you for, if you like my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.